So here is how to change the background of any picture of your choice. It's actually very easy. What you will do is to go to your Google Chrome or any other browser that you use, and then type in change background. Check it now. Just type in change background. Once you do that, it will bring out options for you, websites that are meant for changing background. But this one that is showing up here is the best so far. I've been using it for years. So open it and wait for it to load, because sometimes it could take time depending on your network strength. Now when it opens, the first thing it will ask you to do is to upload your image. So upload your image, click on that upload image and choose the image that you want to upload. Now you will find out that in this small tutorial, I uploaded an image that is not JPEG or PNG, so I had to pick yet another one. So just go back and upload an image that you snapped with your camera. You will not have an issue with that kind of image. So I decided to use one that is raw, a raw image that I snapped by myself with the camera, not an edited image. So you wait for it to upload it onto the website, and when it is done uploading, you'll find out that the image will already have a plain background, a transparent background. Now once you achieve this, you can decide to give it any other background of your choice. If I were to be using this picture for a passport photograph, if I want to turn this to a passport photograph, what I would do in this video right now is to choose any of their background, and it has to be either white or red because it's a passport. So I could choose white. See that the background has changed. I can also decide to choose red. Once I click on it, it will change it for me. There are different options of what you want. You can play around. It is 100% free. You can also decide to choose any of your own pictures as the background of that particular picture you uploaded on that website. It is still free. You are not expected to pay anything for this one. It's just free. So once you do that, you decide on what you want to do. The next thing you have to do is to download the image, and you can see right here that I have downloaded this particular image, so it has a different background altogether. When I go to my gallery, I'm going to see this as a separate image from the ones that I had before. If you find this useful, please like, follow and share. Thank you very much.